and thought, Jean, I'm weed and woe to the land of the Leal. There's nae sorrow there, Jean, there's neither cold nor care, Jean, the days I fair and the land o' the Leal. To me hae been true, Jean, your task has ended now, Jean, for near kites my view all the land o' the Leal. Her bonny bairness there, Jean, she was baith good and fair, Jean, and oh, we grudged her share to the land o' the Leal. But dry the tears